what issues are important is what I'm hearing from the national too, is that it's all about health care. The Employee Free Choice Act will allow people who are just about to organize to actually get organized. That idea of a first contract arbitration, extremely important. So the Employee Free Choice Act really opens organization to more and more people all over the country. It really will make a better world for all of us.
I think there's one issue that just resonates in every discussion you have, regardless whether you're talking about unionized workers, non-unionized workers, and that issue is health care. Healthcare is eating us alive. You know, every bargaining session we go in, the majority of the available dollars that are available to employees are being spent in the healthcare field. And the same holds true for non-union workers. There's got to be someone in this state, in this country, that will stand up for workers and support them on healthcare issues.
We think that, you know, it is our time. We think that particularly the middle class, the working people of the state have been taking it and given so many givebacks here, seen so many plant closures, so many, the health care issue to where we have so many people without health care. You know, that's probably the #1 issue in this upcoming election with the health care issue. And it is our time to put people in office that are going to support our agenda and make sure #1 is that we have health care for everyone that's available.
I would say the minimum wage is going to be big, you know, the minimum wage, and I don't know that right to work is going to be as big as they thought it was, but I think that's going to be a big issue in the state of Missouri. I think
facing the United Auto Workers in the St. Louis area is job security. There's a lot of trade legislation that's gone against the manufacturing, not just the UAW, but all manufacturing in the United States. And the auto industry has been hit extremely hard by this bad trade bills.
2008, and we can expect to have a full force out, phone banking, leafletting, member-to-member communication, door-to-door. We feel that it's very important that APW represent every part of the country. We have APW members in every town, hamlet, city across the country, and we're planning on making sure that our voices are heard and what it means to labor going forward in 2008 so that we can have political friendly occupants of the White House and controlling the Congresses.
AFL-CIO has done a tremendous job of coordinating labor walks, door-to-door, phone banking. UAW has gone out and helped all of our candidates as well. So yes, we'll be doing phone banking, postcard mailings, leaflet drops, but we even go one step further by taking it out on our plant floor. We have what's called a worker-to-worker program.
we have three in our the men that are men and women that we represent. We have three big satellites, and then we have little satellites all over the place, anywhere from St. Charles to Arnold to in the middle of the city of St. Louis. They're everywhere, so we can hit a lot of sites, with leaflets.
Contacted our representatives in the school districts. They met with their teachers and their paraprofessionals and their bus drivers and their janitors and their cooks and got the message out for 2006. They did it through letters that went in the mailboxes at school. They had meetings after school, in churches, around neighborhoods. So we really got the message out, and we plan to do that again in 2008.
Some relief staff. I will be retiring at the end of this year, so I'll be one of them that will be working in it. We'll be doing work site leafleting. The local president will be sending mail to the individual members. We also have the ability to set up a phone bank in our union hall, so we'll be activating the phone bank prior to the election. So we will also be participating in the walks that will be scheduled. So we try to get as many people involved in it as we can.
AFL-CIO has a very aggressive plan for 2008. we intend to take back our state house. We intend to elect a president here, and the way we do that is through our good old-fashioned grassroots efforts. We're going to have an unprecedented amount of people this year, walking in an unprecedented number of hours in local communities. We're going to be working with Working America, and we're going to be doing whatever it takes to get the job done.